Welcome to NFT Star. Jungle Vibe is a teaser NFT for a series of Neymar Jr. drop, Beast Mode. A Jungle Vibes NFT will get you a Neymar Jr. whitelist. And today I will be showing you how to free mint Neymar Jr. teaser Jungle Vibes on NFTstar.com. First, after you access to the NFT Star homepage, choose Neymar Jr. NFT. After you get your MetaMask wallet prepared, connect your wallet. You can see a signature request. Press OK. Your wallet address will be shown here. Press Free Mint, your MetaMask will pop up and shows the estimated gas fee required to mint Jungle Vibes. Make sure you're paying an ETH, and confirm the free mint. And now you're ready to mint the Jungle Vibes free mint. If you had minted successfully, a hint will pop up. After that, you won't be able to mint anymore. You can now check your Jungle Vibes NFT anytime on My Collection on upper right corner. Stay tuned on our latest announcement on NFT Star social media. See you later.